So this is my first experience of using lethal force. Silently go to the berm and look over the top with my night vision goggles on, and I can see around about 8 to 12 Iraqi soldiers all in a huddle talking to each other. Someone stands up behind the berm. Instantly I lean up, take a shot. He goes down and my weapon jams. Then I go into trance state. I don't freeze out. Just run straight down to my output pocket, pull out a high explosive grenade, run over the berm, throw it down into all the Iraqis. That detonates and there's a bit of a scream and there's still threat to life, and I run and I pull out my brown high pistol and I shoot 5 of them. Onto my left hand side, Larry's there. He's making music with his M249, and then Paddy with a sniper rifle. He's then throwing hand grenades to potential depth position. Quickly clear that stoppage. We then do the moving back. I fired a 40mm grenade just beyond the position just to deter any sort of follow up. Then I say, right, get on the road and let's f***ing go.